G'day everybody, this is your host Hayden, today on the RC Masters channel. I hope you enjoy this video today. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and go check out our Facebook page, or as I'll leave a link in the description. It's just spelt exactly the same. We do a lot of content on here with aircraft. At the moment is the main thing. Got a few RC cars. Currently looking at getting boats, but that's going to take a little bit. Go check it out. What we basically cover is just a quick rundown. We cover the basic DIYs, as what I'm currently doing up here on the ARF, the Wild Star 40, and we do repairs or even tips and tricks, or even if you need help with deciding on what you want, because we research things and go through them and make sure they're fine. As hence a few of the aircraft around here, I've been testing them, reviewing them. You'll have a few reviews videos this week, and yeah, hope you like it. Cheers guys. This video guys, as you'll see that I've done a test run just before this one. This is the Tempest. It was used in World War II. I've currently got it strapped up at the moment. Main battles were around the Battle of Berlin and D-Day. It was a lot better version because it could actually arm the rocket-propelled grenades off the bottom. I don't have them on because they're a lot of drag, but this is from Hobby King themselves. I'm going to be focusing on a lot of Hobby King supplies and Horizon hobbies. That's my go-to at the moment until I find something. The landing gear it's not the best for where I'm flying because it's long grass, but it's going to be obviously a toss and belly land, so I have to take the gear out. This plane was mainly as bomber support, as we had down here. The reason why they had this cell here was an oil cooler for the engine, as it used to go high altitudes, just like the P-51 Mustang did. But the detail is just amazing on this plane. They've done a really good job, Horizon Hobby. Other than the only issue I've had, which I don't know if anybody else has had them, but with your engine, their mounting on the actual inside of the foam was tilted, so the engine's always going to tilt, as you can probably just see as I spin these props. A little bit of distortion, but that's okay. It doesn't bother me much. It may affect the flight, I don't know as of yet, but it doesn't affect taxiing. That's the main issue with this. It's got the 6-axis flight stabilization built into the bottom of the aircraft, and these servos built into the top. A lot of people put their servos on the wings, but I chose to go through the top as it's more accessible, and if I need to throw it out and chuck it in another plane, I can. And the only other issue I have is this wheel. They should have, it was come out bent, and it's not as, it's loose, as you can see. I've tried tightening it multiple times and it doesn't work. But that's a small hiccup as I'm expecting with these planes. But I like the bottom as well. Looks pretty nice. As you can see, it taxis beautifully. And that's it on the Tempest. We'll see you on the next one, which might be my new P-51. Alright, see you guys in a second.